Welcome to this spring clean meditation. This meditation is meant to clean up all the things that are bothering you and to make a new beginning. So I invite you to take a comfortable seat of your choice, or maybe laying down, just what suits you best. Then start to feel the ground that supports you. Feel your sit bones, maybe take away the fleshy part of your buttocks. And feel your sit bones grounded firmly into the floor. And start to observe your breath. Where can you feel your breath in your body? And then take a long, slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. And feel your body soften. Feel the ground, the earth beneath you. And let yourself fully arrive in this moment. And as you breathe, imagine a soft spring breeze brushing your skin. It's fresh and light. Spring is here, bringing renewal, a chance for a new beginning. Take a few moments to tune in with yourself and ask yourself, how am I really feeling right now? What am I holding on to that's no longer serving me? What thoughts, what stories, what emotions have put weight on my heart? Let anything that arises float to the surface. Look at it without judgment. Just notice. Now in your mind's eye, imagine a beautiful, colorful balloon is floating in front of you. Any color, any size, whatever feels good. There's a ribbon tied to the base of the balloon. And beside you, there's a basket with small, colorful pieces of paper and a pencil. Begin writing one by one the thoughts, feelings, worries, emotions you are ready to release. The things that get you stuck. The stories you keep revisiting. The tension that keeps returning. Write each one on its own piece of paper and fold it gently and attach it to the ribbon with a staple. Feel the weight of each note. Notice how it feels to name these things and to hold them for a moment. Now take one more slow breath and look at your balloon. It holds everything you want to let go of, and you're ready to let go of. And when you're ready, release it. Let the ribbon slip through your fingers and watch the balloon rise, slowly at first, lifting the burden, the weight from your heart, lifting your burdens as it floats upward, higher and higher, and watch it flutter into the sky. Past the trees, up into the open blue sky until you can't see it anymore. Feel the space it leaves behind. Feel the lightness in your body. Feel the quiet in your mind. Feel the peace in your heart. You've made space. You've let go. Now take a long, slow breath in and breathe out fully. And then gently bring your awareness back to your body. Then wiggle your fingers and your toes and stretch yourself out if you like. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take this feeling with you, the lightness, the space, and let it stay with you as you move forward. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.